Mabuhay ang General Santos Eagles Club family. Mabuhay si Kuya Danny Donasco. Mabuhay si Kuya Tom Bituin, our National President for the 18 year 2025. Mabuhay ang mga bagong club presidents ng General Santos Eagles Club family. At mabuhay po ang mga attendees natin for tonight, especially po the presence ng ating guest of honor speaker, headed by Dr. Cotamora. Please not to recognize Dr. Cotamora. Maraming salamat din po sa aming butihing Chief Traffic Enforcement Unit na si Police Lieutenant Colonel Oliver Sumbligo Pauya for gracing this occasion. Gagayahin ko na lang yung sinabi ni Sir Pauya, no? To the one who incarcerated my heart, my life, no? Aking beloved, si ating Edna Labrador. Before I start this speech, no, sa ating message, I would like to see all kuya embracing each other. Oh, hug naman muna kayo lahat dyan. Kayo muna tayo lahat, mga kuya. Please hug each other. Mga kuya, please hug each other. Tayo muna lahat. Please po. Yan. Yes. Please hug each other, mga kuya. Congratulations po sa all. Yes. Oh, mga ate, I want to see all ate. Hugging each other also. Tayo mga ate.
Ay, kaluoy. Gikapoy.
Tayo mga ate.
Gikapoy na mga ate, oh.
Please na po. Special request po galing sa outgoing club president. So, before I begin, mga kuya, maraming salamat po sa tatlong taong na kasama ko kayo. Sa mga technical working group ko, ng mga Lady Eagles, mga technical working group ko, ng mga kuya na lagi kong kasama sa journey. From the day of chartering ng ating beloved General Santos Eagles Club, bago ipinanganak ang ating North-South, ang Lady Eagles Group. Maraming salamat po talaga, Kuya Joy Dave Gabuelo, and I would like to especially acknowledge and recognize their presence. Kuya Danny Donasco, Kuya Mitch Bertor, and Kuya Joy Dave Gabuelo. Ito po ang history ng General Santos Eagles Club where how we started January 22, 2022. No? Pinlano po namin yan ng 2021. Almost mga 3 months, Kuya. 3 months ang planning at execution natin. So ito na po ang result ng ating General Santos Eagles Club. And I'm part of it. Sa pagbuo niyan, kasama namin si Kuya Danny Donasco, ang aming kuya na hari ng Himpapawid. No? Si Kuya Danny Donasco, na copyright owner ng ritual rights ng ating beloved Magna Carta. Please stand to recognize Kuya Danny Donasco. Sugar daddy ko po siya, actually. Yan ang sugar daddy ko. May asukarera di papa. No? Si Kuya Danny Donasco. Yan yung naghataw sa akin pag nagkakamali tayo. Hinahatan niya tayo para itama kung ano yung mga dapat itama. So as I stand for tonight, good evening to all my kuya and ate of General Santos Eagles Club. I am filled with gratitude, pride, a deep sense of fulfillment. These past 3 years as your president have been a remarkable journey. One that has allowed me to witness the true spirit of service and brotherhood that defines our club. I stand here not as an individual, but as part of something much greater than myself. I stand here as an eagle. Together, mga kuya, we have done so much. Countless outreach programs, reaching out to those in need, uplifting lives through our collective efforts, organizing events that made a real difference, sharing our time, our talent, and our resources. We have proven, mga kuya, that our strength lies not in our individual actions, but in our unity as a brotherhood. Every step we took was guided by one common goal, common vision, to serve selflessly, to live by the values of compassion and integrity, and also discipline, and to be there for others when they need it as most. Mga kuya, mga ate, I am proud. We are proud to be part part of this Eagle organization, General Santos Eagles Club. I am proud to be an Eagle. Proud to serve with each and every one of you. The honor has been mine to lead this incredible group for the past 3 years. But I know the true power of our club lies not in any single leader, but in the hearts of every brother and sister who carries the Eagle spirit. We have shown that when we come together, mga kuya, mga ate, when we share and standing as one, we are unstoppable. Though every challenge and triumph, we have stayed true to our team. One goal, one brotherhood, one Eagle, the birthright in action, no dash, no parentheses. We have always put the others first, ensuring that no one is left behind. Every effort we made was for the greater good of our community. In those moments, when the work seems endless and the road was tough, it was strength of our brotherhood that carries us through. We held each other up, lifted each other's spirits, and moved forward together with purpose. As I pass the torch to the next leaders, I am confident that this brotherhood will continue to thrive. We are the future of this club. Carry you all the legacy, the service, the unity. Know that the spirit of brotherhood, of one Eagle and one goal, the birthright will continue to guide you as you take on new challenge and inspire others with the same selfless dedication that has defined us. Mga kuya, mga ate, maraming salamat po for your unwavering support, for your hard work, for our hard work, and for making this journey with me that I will always cherish. Before I step down from this road, I do so with pride, knowing that together we have made a difference. May we continue, mga ate and mga kuya, especially the new elected officers, the new club presidents, to soar higher, united as one, driven by the power of brotherhood, guided by the strength of our shared purpose, one goal, one brotherhood, one Eagle, the birthright in action. Mabuhay ang General Santos Eagles Club! Mabuhay! Mabuhay ang General Santos Eagles Club family! Mabuhay! Mabuhay po ang Agilang Pilipino, mga kuya.